18.
18. Already started.
Okay. Good afternoon, students. Exercise 4.3, video number mathematics 18. Question number 9. There is written two water taps. One is larger, one is smaller. They are larger diameter water tap and smaller diameter water taps are there. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. 9 3/8 hours. Together means plus. You keep in your mind. Number 2. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. So we are considering, suppose time taken by smaller tap. Time taken by smaller tap is x hours separately, not together. Suppose separately, time taken by smaller tap separately be x hours, because we have to find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Separately means firstly you have to give the smaller tap in the tank to fill up the tank. Then second time you remove the smaller tap, then you give larger tap for fill up the same tank fully. That is called separately. So time taken by smaller tap separately be suppose x hours, and there is written time taken by larger tap separately be x minus 10. Why x minus 10? Because there is written the tap of larger diameter taken 10 hours less. Less means minus. That's why given minus. So less than the time taken by smaller one. So time taken by smaller one is x hours. So written x hours. X hours means time taken by smaller one, and there is written 10 hours less. For getting the time taken by larger tap, you have to minus 10. 10 hours less means minus 10 from the time separately taken by the smaller one. X minus 10 equal x minus 10 hours. Now, in x hours time, that full tank is filled up by smaller tap separately. Again in x minus 10 hours time, full tank is filled up by larger tap separately. Now, we have to find out the amount of work done. When one work is finished, then that one is denoted by 1. Full tank, 2 tank is there, suppose same size. This tank is fulfilled by larger diameter tap, and this tank is fulfilled by smaller diameter tap. This one is smaller, this one is larger. If full tank fill up means one work done, it is denoted by 1. That's why there is written 1. Okay. Full tank fill up means it is denoted by 1. One work done, 1. Now, here you see full tank fill up, that means one work done in x hours time by the smaller tap. One work done by the smaller tap in x hours time. So amount of work done, amount of water filled in 1 hour time. In x hours, full work done, that means one work done. In x hours time, one work done. In 1 hour time, what amount of work done has been done? 1 by x amount of work. So there is written amount of work done, amount of water filled in 1 hour. That means amount of work done by smaller tap in 1 hour time. That one is 1 by x. Then amount of work done by larger tap in 1 hour time. That one is 1 by x minus 10. 1 by x minus 10. These are actually amount of work done. separately. Amount of work done separately by smaller tap, amount of work done separately by larger tap. Now, it is the capacity to do the work by the smaller tap in 1 hour time. It is the capacity to do the work by the larger tap in 1 hour time. If you join together, together means join plus. If you join together larger tap and smaller tap at a time in same tank, larger tap and smaller tap at a time, suppose this one larger tap, this one smaller tap, at a time in same tank, then what amount of work done is done by both the tap together in 1 hour time? Amount of work filled in 1 hour time, both the tap together at a time in one tank. So together means here plus, and it is the work done by the smaller tap 1 by x, and it is the work done by the larger tap 1 by x minus 10. So it is the total amount of work done by both the tap together at a time in one tank. So in 1 hour time. So now we are getting, it is the total amount of work done by both the taps in 1 hour time. If time will increase, in 1 hour time it is the total amount of work done. If time will increase, then work done will be increased. So how many times increase? So now in 1 hour time it is the work done. In 9 3 by 8 hours time, work done also 9 3 by 8 times of last work done. It is the total amount of work done by both the taps in 1 hour time, and time will be increased, then amount of work done also increase. How many times increase? Whatever time is there, 9 3 by 8 hours. So 9 3 by 8 hours times increase. Times means here into. 9 3 by 8 times of amount of work done by both the tap in 1 hour. So you multiply these two, then both the tap will fill up one full tank. So full tank fill up means one work done, one work finish. One work finish means 1. So it is the total amount of work done. It is expressed in variable terms, but it is the total amount of work done means 1 work done means 1. Then from there, by reducing, this one is mixed fraction, you reduce into improper fraction. Already you know, 8 9 are 72 plus 3, 75 by 8. Here there is into 75 by 8, shift to left side. Then this one will divide 1. Then inverse of this is 8 by 75. Then take LCM. After taking LCM, whatever process are there already you know. So finally we are getting quadratic equation 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equal to 0. Students, just you see these two lines. Between these two lines, many lines are there. I am not writing here, but full solution given in WhatsApp group. There you see whatever lines are there. These things are very easy already. You know, just you multiply. Shifting is there. You have to do that one. Already done. So this one is the required quadratic equation. Now, first of all, you find out the discriminant. Then you get discriminant value 7225. Already I taught how to find discriminant value. 7225. It is the square number. So how you know this one is the square number? Because that last digit is 5. Already in class 7 there is given how to find the square number. Last digit you should know. Okay. So x equal to minus b plus minus root over d by twice. So this one is the quadratic formula. Already taught. D value is what there? 7225. This one just you put here d value. B means coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is what? Minus 115. Just you put there minus 115. Then a value is what? A value is x square coefficient 4. So just you put here 4. 4 to the 8. Minus into minus plus 115 plus minus root over 7225. Find out the square root. Already I taught how to find square root. So that square root of 7225 is 85. So 85 square root over cancel. Then 115 plus minus 85 by 8. So now two way you can do. One time for plus, another time for minus. 115 plus 85 by 8. Second time 115 minus 85 by 8. Now Here getting 200 by 8. So 200 is the multiple of 8. So we'll get one positive value 25. But 30 by 8 you will get one fractional value, decimal value. That's why that is not acceptable. So we are getting 25 positive value. So time taken by smaller tab separately in time what? 25 hours. And time taken by larger tab separately, that is x minus 10. Already we have declared like this, x minus 10 hours. So x minus 10, so x value 25 put, 25 minus 10 equal to 15 hours. So this much plus.